Okay, what are your plans here in Kollywood?
Well, my next film has already begun. In fact, we'll come to the end of it, which is with Selvaragavan, sir. It's Mannavan Mandanadi, it's with Santanam. And that's it. After that, there are a couple of films which are lined up. I've signed few. And yeah, my journey has begun. So I'm very excited to go ahead.
Okay, you have already auditioned for Chakde, you know. If there's a comparison with Shah Rukh Khan from Kollywood star, who will be?
I would love to work with Surya sir. Shah Rukh has always been my favorite since I'm a kid, but I'm a big fan of Surya sir. So, I mean, I love the style of working and I would love to work with him also. But I think Shah Rukh and Surya sir both.
Okay, we heard Manavan Vatandi two songs are being shot abroad like US.
Yeah.
What kind of role you are playing? Is it a running around trees kind of role or meaty one?
No, if you would know Selva sir, I think he doesn't make running around trees kind of movies. So I have a very, I love the part where I'm working with Selva sir because he gives so much importance to women characters. And here I'm playing a very independent girl who has her own point of view and who goes ahead in her life with her own point of view, with her head on her shoulders. Like she's ahead of her generation and she's ahead of her thinking in all ways, and at the same time very practical but very loving. Having Selva sir as my director, I am rest assured and I have nothing to worry about.
அம்முக்குட்டியே அடியே உன்னை எண்ணி கலஞ்சேண்டி.
Yeah, playing Selva Siran is really challenging and performance plays a great role. How is it rolling? You feel it challenging?
Yes, it's very challenging. It's very challenging because he's a perfectionist, and I love people who are perfectionists in a way because I'm so, and I believe in rehearsals, and he doesn't believe in rehearsals. So for me, it's a great clash and something which I would not be in my comfort zone, especially with the language. So that's making me push myself as an actor as well as somebody who's speaking in another language. So I'm thoroughly enjoying it. I would rather want to do another film with Salva if I get a chance.
Okay, you already started acting with Satanam and also with Atharva. How do you like your boyfriend to be choose one of them?
Well, I did one with Atharva, so I don't know how to match it, but maybe a humor from Santanam and charm from Atharva. Yeah, that's how it is.
Okay, whom you like on screen or on set?
Between Atharva and Santanam, I they both have their equal, qualities. Like Santanam makes it really hilarious and very light as an atmosphere since we are working with Salva sir, and Atharva is more of a friend, he's more like my friend. It's like that, yeah.
So far away from religious girl to a friend of a playboy. How was it playing this alongside Atharva?
Atharva was such a refreshing breath because every I went on set and it's my first film. GGSR is my first film, so getting accustomed to everybody around there and getting to know the language, Atharva made me feel so much at home and so comfortable that I really didn't think that I was not in Bombay or I was not doing something related to my own language. It was amazing. It was amazing.
What do you like about Chennai?
I love everything about Chennai. I like the food. Because I'm anyway a vegan, gluten-free person, so I love the idli sambar which I eat here. I love the freshness of people. People are very sweet and very focused. Rather, I love working there because their timings are perfect and everything goes on schedule. So I really am looking forward to work in Tamil industry a lot more.
எம்மா எம்மா எம்மம்மா 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 எம்மம்மா.
Your debut along with Ritesh Deshmukh in a negative role and that the Debutant Award.
Yes.
What made you look at the Tollywood industry?
I come from theatre and I do theatre with Makran Deshpande here in Bombay. So I was always interested in South and South films, but I didn't know what exactly how it's bifurcated. So when you say South here, it comes under Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, everything. But I had done a couple of ads with Pothis and Sri Kumran, and I really like the flavor of the language. And as I like to learn new languages, this was a challenge which I wanted to take. That's how I ended up in Collywood.
Okay, trained Kathak dancer and Hindustani singer. Will you learn Tamil and sing for movies there?
Of course, எனக்கு தமிழ் பேச தெரியும். By now I can speak a little bit, I'm learning a little bit, and dancing comes to me because I come from a musical background. My uncle is a Hindustani classical singer, and dance comes along with it. So I'm just having like fun with it, enjoying it.
Your profile says that your career began with during an audition of Chak De India. Can you brief us how it happened?
Well, yes, it didn't have my career didn't begin with it, but I was offered an audition which I shied away from, and I was a runner for India for 5 years, and that's how it happened because you're looking at real girls, and I was at the field, but I was really not interested in any of acting area related things. I was just a runner that time.
Okay, would you accept to be such an innocent girlfriend in a real life? Well, if not, what would you do if you came to know that about your playboy boyfriend?
I don't know what I would do, but I would rather like to be on the other side of the girlfriend. So yeah.
Okay, what must for a guy to impress Aditi? Would you really fall for a flatter guy?
No, I think humor and intelligence is something that'll flatter me.